I'm 52 years old and I am in the best shape of my life, and I'm going to show you exactly what I eat in a day and the workout I do to stay lean. Let's get into it. First, we're going to go work out. We're going to the gym. Today is a quad and hamstring day. I lift 4 times a week. I do 2 lower body days, 2 upper body days, and I do 2 Legree sessions a week. And I walk 10,000 steps a day. I focus on weightlifting because at this age, lifting is everything. It keeps your metabolism up, it keeps you strong, and honestly, it gives you that lean, toned look that everybody's looking for, and you're not doing hours of cardio. Hi, I'm Lisette, and if you're new here, I help women in midlife glow up through fashion, mindset, and lifestyle. If this is your vibe, hit that subscribe button. I've been using Caraway pans for years. This is actually my second time partnering with them, and that should tell you everything. When they reached out again, it was a no-brainer because I'm genuinely obsessed with their cookware. I love it, and they are so beautiful. And I know that I'm using clean products, and that's what matters to me. I cook at home the majority of time. I only eat out once or twice a week max. So when I'm in the kitchen that often, the cookware I use has to be intentional. Most traditional nonstick pans are coated with forever chemicals, things like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS. I didn't want those chemicals getting into my food or my family's. That's when I switched over to Caraway a couple years ago. Their ceramic coating is made completely without those chemicals, and it's third-party tested and verified for over 200 forever chemicals and microplastics. That transparency is everything to me. The founder of Caraway actually got sick from accidentally overheating Teflon pans, which is crazy. That's what started this whole brand. That story really hit home for me because it's about intentionality, and that's how I approach everything in my life. The ceramic coating is natural, non-stick, so I'm using minimal oil and butter. And when you're eating clean and staying lean, those little things actually add up. I'd recommend getting the cookware set like I did. Here's everything that comes with it. A 10.5-inch ceramic coated frying pan, a saucepan with the lid, a Dutch oven with the lid, and a saute pan with the lid. It also comes with this canvas holder that you could put it behind your cabinet door or behind the pantry door to keep things nice and organized. And it comes with these magnetic holding stands, and they just clip together. And just look how beautiful. It's truly stunning. If you've been wanting to make the swap to non-toxic cookware, which I highly recommend, right now through Mother's Day, you can use my code Lisette10 at Caraway for 10% off, and you can stack that on top of one of their Mother's Day deals. Everything is linked in the description below. Now let's make some breakfast. Okay, for breakfast, I'm making a Mediterranean omelet, and this is one of my favorites because it's high volume. I like to eat a lot. I have a very big appetite. So I build meals around foods that fill me up. I'm using 1 cup of egg whites and 1 whole egg. The egg white gives me more volume, so I get a bigger omelet without a ton of extra calories. I'm loading it up with spinach, mushroom, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of feta. And I serve it with avocado slices on the side. And it's so, so good. Lunch is one of my staple meals. A turkey bowl is my go-to. Ground turkey served over cauliflower rice. I add tomatoes, avocado, black beans, cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. The bowl is so filling, so fresh, and the protein is the one that's doing all the heavy lifting. Minimal oil, nothing sticks, easy cleanup. When you're cooking every single day, that's what really matters. Dinner is salmon with zucchini noodles. I got this little thing on Amazon. I love it. It's simple, clean, and honestly so good. Salmon is one of the best things you can eat for staying lean, healthy in fat, high in protein, keeps you full. I make it with a little olive oil and hot honey, and it comes out perfect every time. No sticking, no mess. Makes cleanup super easy. And I love this gadget from Amazon to make the zucchini noodles. It's so easy. So unintentionally, today's day has been low carb. So I have room for a nice dessert. I'm going to have a yogurt bowl. I'm finishing off my day with some Greek yogurt, berries, and a drizzle of honey. And my favorite, I have this every single night, 2 pieces of dark chocolate. The best. And that is a full day of eating at 52 to stay lean, high volume, high protein, real food. I know you guys always ask for what I eat in a day videos, and I don't do them often because honestly, what I eat is really boring. I only rotate a couple things. My nutrition has to be simple. I am not a chef. I hate the cleanup, but I love clean, simple meals, and I just rotate through them. And that's it. That's the secret. And that's what makes it sustainable for me. I'm not spending hours in the kitchen. I'm not following complicated recipes. I'm not starving and I'm not restricted. I'm just being intentional with simple, real food, and having cookware I actually trust makes me want to cook at home more, which is honestly one of the biggest things that helps me stay on track. Before I let you go, if you've been wanting to swap out your pants for the non-toxic alternative, check out Caraway. Don't forget, right now through May 11th, you can use my promo code LISETTE10 to get 10% off. And you can stack that on top of their Mother's Day deals. Everything is linked in the description below. Do not sleep on this deal. This is a good one. If this video reminded you that it's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional, then share it with a woman in your life who needs to hear it. And if you're ready to start your own rebrand, I have the link in the description to her rebrand playbook. That is your starting point. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I drop new videos every Saturday at 10 a.m. And remember, you're not too old and it is not too late to get into the best shape of your life. If I can do it, you can do it too. See you in the next video.